Hey, I'm a Chef Paji from Biagio, Italian restaurant. I make the anatra. Insalata anatra. This anatra smoked duck. Okay. Alright. I put one by one. The smoked duck. Alright. Alright.
How many pieces this one, Chef?
This smoked duck, I put 6 pieces.
Okay.
But it depends the size. If the small size, I put 6 or 7 pieces. But the big size, I put only 5. Okay. What the inside?
So you have all the dressing, Chef, huh?
Okay.
What kind of dressing that you will do, Chef?
I put the pesto sauce. The pesto sauce is on the basil leaves. Oil. Then I put the blender. I blend it. Okay. I put the pesto sauce on the vegetable. And also the capsicum sauce. The red one.
Oh,
Sorry. I put the garlic, is the garnish. Ano? And also I put the balsamic sauce dressing. Also on the top, dried meat. That's it. This is the insalata anatra.